So if you're like me, you have a lot of projects in Laravel Valley. With the new version of PHP Monitor that's coming soon, I've added a new view that lists all of your domains. It shows you a bunch of helpful information and gives you a bunch of easy actions that you can apply to a particular domain, like open the source code, open in Finder, open in the browser, and secure or unsecure a particular domain. Let me show you what this would look like. So one of the things we might want to do is create a new project. And it happens to be that my sites directory, as is the default, is actually linked as a directory which accepts parked domains. It's a parked folder, which means that any folder within it will be detected as a possible domain that might be served. So if I create a new folder here and call it demo, then once we hit the refresh button here, which will reload the list of sites that are detected, we'll see that, oh look, haha, we got it. Our demo site's been added. We can then open it with Visual Studio Code, quickly add a file, and then visit this page in your favorite browser. As you can see, it works. Now, okay, that's fine, that works. What if I wanted to secure this? It's easy. We'll get a little pop-up, and we do have to enter a password because this changes the certificate settings. But after that, we should be able to reload, after it completes, of course, and then it will be served over HTTPS. You're going to have to wait a few seconds, and normally you would see a notification pop up. It'll look like this. The domain is now secured. But because I'm recording, that notification doesn't show up. Okay. Let's say we want to unsecure this. Now, to be clear, if we're unsecuring, we may want to disable our cache and reload the page, because otherwise that could cause some issues. And sure enough, that works. You'll be able to see what's going on by looking at the icon, which is either red or green, based on whether your site's secured or not. And as you can see, it also lists the driver type, so it's very convenient. This is coming in PHP Monitor 4.1, and I hope you all really enjoy it.